Seeing emergency calls only on your Consumer Cellular phone? This usually means your phone can't connect to the Consumer Cellular network. This happens for a few key reasons. First, your SIM card might not be properly activated, especially if it's new or you recently switched phones. Second, there might be an issue with network selection. Consumer Cellular primarily uses Verizon's network, but sometimes your phone struggles to connect or picks the wrong one. It can also be triggered by account issues like expired plans or unpaid bills suspending service. Finally, software glitches, especially after updates to Android or iOS, can cause this error. Understanding these common causes helps identify why your Consumer Cellular phone shows emergency calls only. Start by checking your SIM card. Power off your phone, remove the SIM, and then reinsert it carefully. Make sure it's clean and properly seated. Next, check your network settings. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, and Network Operators. See if you can manually select Consumer Cellular or Verizon. If that doesn't work, try restarting your phone. If the problem persists, especially after a software update, reset your network settings via Settings, General Management, Reset Network Settings. If none of these steps work, the SIM may not be properly activated. Contact Consumer Cellular support through their app or website. Many issues can be resolved through their automated troubleshooting tools.